guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video is a sunset eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I have been wanting to do this for the longest time, but I always shy away from it. I don't know why, but I think the colors are always so beautiful. It's all those purples and reds and yellows and oranges. It pretty much has all the colors that I love to play with, so I have decided to give it a try. I'm so excited, so let's just get right into it. If you're new here or if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe, join the fam, turn on your notifications so you're notified whenever I post a new video. If you like this video, if you love this tutorial, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, please. Let's get into it. Let's beat this face up real quick. I'm gonna be using this pencil from Morphe. This one's their micro brow pencil, and I do believe this one is in dark brown. I also got, or it also came with a translucent brow gel, so that's what I'll be using. I do have a brow tutorial on my channel, so I'll make sure to link it above in case you're interested. Okay, make sure to check it out. So I'm just gonna go off camera, do this real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's get into the eyes. For today's eye look, I'm gonna be using my Zulu palette from Juvias Place. This is one of my favorite palettes. It's one of my favorite Juvias Place palettes. You can see this brown. I've already hit pan on it. We're just gonna be using a lot of colors in here. I think this palette is so perfect for sunset eyes because it has all the colors you need. So I'm gonna be using the purple, the pink, the orange, as well as the yellow. You guys know I love to prime my eyes on my lids with the PLouise bases. I'll be using the Rumor 3. I'm just gonna quickly pat that onto my lid. Okay, so we're all primed. Let's get into the eyeshadow application. I'm gonna be using my tiny weeny blending brushes. I really want this look to be very vibrant. I want the colors to shine through. I want the whole vibe, if you know what I mean. Okay, I really want it to be intense. That's why I'm using my small blending brushes, and I just felt the need to mention it in this video. If you want your eye looks to be more pigmented, more intense, more sharp, more cut through, more see me from a distance kind of, you know, vibe, you want to use more of the tiny weeny blending brushes. And in areas where you need to diffuse or you need a little less color, a little less intensity, then you could reach for a medium size or a bigger blending brush. Okay, I'm gonna first start off with the purple. I'm just gonna take that right into my crease area. That's a really beautiful purple shade right there. I can't believe I have never used this. For someone who loves purple, I have never used this purple eyeshadow before. So I'm just gonna take the purple towards the ends because I'm gonna be doing a halo eye. I feel like it's been a real long minute since I did one, so it's gonna be a halo sunset eye. So I'm just taking that to the ends here, back into the crease, and also downwards here. I'm gonna switch blending brushes and I'm gonna apply the pink. And I'm just applying that above the purple, just halfway on the purple and then half outside the purple. I'm gonna switch brushes back and I'm gonna reapply the purple. There's just gonna be a lot of back and forth with this application, so just bear with me. It's all gonna come together, okay? It just needs a little minute and a little bit of loving to get it, you know, all together. Okay, now I'm gonna switch brushes and I'm gonna be applying the orange. And again, I'm just doing like a 50-50, so I'm gonna apply half of the orange onto the pink and then the remaining half above the pink. After applying the orange, I'm gonna go back into the pink. There's just a lot of back and forth again, like I said, so I'm gonna always have to go back to the previous layer and just reapply the color just so it comes back to life and, you know, it's more pigmented, because when you apply a color right above it, the one below loses its pigment, so you gotta go back and reapply. So I'm gonna go back with the pink and then I'm gonna go back with the purple. So now that's all done, I'm gonna move on to the yellow. So I'm gonna go in with this. And I'm just gonna apply that again 50-50, a little bit on the orange and then the rest above the orange. Okay. I know everything looks a little bit messy right now. Yellow is a really messy color. Like, I love yellows, but working with yellow eyeshadows, I don't know, it's it could drive you crazy. And trust me, I know, because I've tried to do a few yellow eyeshadow. It's really a matte yellow eyeshadow look. Oh jeez, it could drive you nuts. But anyways, I'm sure you guys get the gist now. I'm gonna go down again. I'm gonna go apply a little bit of the orange back. I'm gonna go in again with the pink, and then I'm gonna go again with the purple, and then we'll be done with the area above the crease. This is a lot of steps, but I promise you this look is all gonna come together. Okay, so just sit down, relax, enjoy. Okay, so I think we're done with the hardest part of this look. I promise the next part is gonna be easy. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm gonna be using the beige shade 0, the white one. I really want the lids to, you know, have the most intensity. That's why I'm switching the base. Okay, so now after cutting the crease, I'm just gonna go back with the same colors. I'm gonna start with the purple, and I'm just gonna take it to the outer and inner corners. After that, I'm gonna go into the pink, and just like we did for the top part, I'm gonna go back into the previous colors. Okay, right after that, I'm gonna go in with the orange, and you know the drill. I'm gonna go back and apply the last two colors, and then I'm gonna apply the yellow to what's left. So I just quickly applied some lashes. I decided to go with something a little bit more simple, just so the eyes could just be the center of attention. So I'm just gonna quickly finish up my face, apply some foundation, contour, and all that good stuff. I do have a really detailed foundation routine on my channel. I'll leave it here and leave it in the end screen as well. So if you're wondering what I do for my foundation and you're wanting an in-depth tutorial, make sure to check out that video. Now this eye look is not complete without something underneath, at least for me. So I'm gonna quickly finish up my under eyes, and as usual, I'm gonna prime first. I'll be using the PLouise base, the Rumor 3. Okay, keeping up with the same theme, I'm gonna start with the purple. Okay, and I take that to the outer and the inner corners. Then I'm gonna go in with the pink. Okay, next the orange. And then the yellow. Now I want my inner tear duct to be really bright, so I'm gonna be using this little foil pigment. It's so small but very pigmented. This is from Touch in Soul. I'll leave everything in the description box as usual, but let me give you a quick let me give you a quick swatch. This is what it looks like. It's kind of a duochrome and it's very vibrant. That's why I'm using it. I just went in with some mascara. I used the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I feel the need to go in with some liner to line my waterline. I wish I had a good white liner, but I don't, so I'm gonna have to use a black one. I'll be using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in black. So that completes the eye look. I hope you guys are loving it so far. I'm just gonna finish up the rest on my face. For blush, I'm gonna be using Daiquiri Deep. This is one of the Fenty cream blushes. I haven't used this in a minute. Just gonna pack it on today. I want something very orangey. To set the cream blush and to give it a little more pizzazz, I'm gonna go into the Bellini blush palette. This is from BINGE Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be using Peach Please. So I like to pack it on, like pack on a crazy unbelievable amount, and then I like to go in with my foundation brush, and I'm just gonna press that right into my skin, and this just makes it look more natural. It make it look like, you know, I'm flushed, which I don't know if I could be. And for highlighter, I'm gonna be using something new today. This is from XX Revolution. This is their exposure highlighter, and this one's in Golden Hour. I haven't even opened it before. I have a whole bunch of stuff from XX Revolution. I can't wait to do that video. I feel like everything came like way too late and I kind of lost interest. So here's the packaging, pretty in pink. It is pretty. It looks like it's a good size too. So there we go. Oops. So that's what it looks like. Okay, before I go in with highlighter, I like to spritz my face. I'll be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray or Setting Mist. I'm just testing it out on my clavicle, and it looks pretty good. And let me just give you guys a quick swatch. So I got this highlighter, and I also got the Frequency highlighter from XX Revolution, and I don't know, I thought this is what the Frequency would look like, but I guess I'll have to find out when I do that video. It just feels so soft, it feels so smooth. The quality of this highlighter, guys, is pretty good. Again, I just like to go in with my foundation brush just to make sure the highlighter and the blush are a little bit married together. Sometimes they look a little bit separated, and that annoys me, so this just solves everything. So all that's left now is lips, and you guys know I currently love the Juvias Place lippies. So for today's lips, I'm gonna be lining with the Morphe Trendsetter pencil. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using in Vogue from Juvias Place. This is what it looks like. If you haven't seen my video on this lippies, make sure to check it out. And then I'm gonna top it up with some lip gloss. I am obsessed with Caramel Rose, and for a little extra glossiness, I am gonna go in with its glass. And to finish up the look, I'm just gonna spritz my face one last time. For setting spray, I'll be using the MAC Fix Plus, the Bronzelite or the Bronzelite, I guess, I don't know. But I've been really loving this setting spray. It has all these shimmery, bronzy things on the inside, but when you just spray it out on your face, it doesn't look as crazy as you think it would. It just brings everything together, and you have a little extra bronziness going on. It doesn't give me as much bronze vibes as I'd like, to be honest. I thought it was going to be more intense, but it still kind of does a little bit of the job, okay? So guys, we've come to the very end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And this is the way I've been wearing my hair lately. Knowing me, it's not gonna last forever. I'll probably switch it up as soon as I can, or as soon as I get bored. But but I love the way everything turned out. I also love the sunset eyes. I don't know why it took me forever and a day to try this out. Like, I think this is a really super cool look, and I love the play on the colors. I just love it. That's about it. I'm not gonna blab too much. If you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new or if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.